Your Lordship, I appear for the petitioners. Your Lordship, in this matter, an auction had been held on 26 September 2014. I won that auction. I paid the full amount, 19 crores 60 lakhs 30,000.
You are the auction purchaser.
Yes, I am the auction purchaser. I paid the full amount. Your
All
Lordship, subsequently, the erstwhile owners, had filed a writ petition challenging the auction. In that, an interim order was passed saying that I have liberty to take my money back. Subject to the outcome of this writ petition, I will redeposit that money. Your Lordship, all this while the bank has been fighting alongside me for transferring the land to me and taking my money. So finally, when that writ petition is dismissed, because the bank at that time wanted to transfer the land to me, this honorable court said bank is at liberty to transfer the land to the auction purchaser with interest, with liberty to charge interest. Your Lordship, the auction purchaser challenges that in writ appeal. Throughout the writ appeal, the bank and me are fighting side by side, my lawyers and his lawyer, their lawyers. The bank wants to transfer the land to me. It goes to Supreme Court. Supreme Court, we are fighting side by side. Bank wants to transfer the land to me. Suddenly, Your Lordship, what they do is
now you left in the lurch.
suddenly, Your Lordship, they start coming out with auction notices. I write to them saying, please take my money and transfer the land to me. They reply back saying, nothing doing. We are going to auction it, and we have liberty to charge interest. I write back to them saying, what interest do you want? Tell me. They reply back to me saying, nothing doing. We are auctioning it. I can show those letters.
1 minute. 1 moment.
Auction has now taken place. 38 crore 69 lakhs has been bid by somebody. He's taken his money back in 2015. Shows no end. Yes, he's taken his complete money back. No sale certificate is issued, my lord. Supreme Court has now said that there's no vested right that an auction purchaser gets. Still, a sale certificate is issued in his favor, and proceedings are further to that. Nothing has happened. He keeps quiet, enjoys his money. Now he wants the property at the same price.
No, when did he deposit? What was the first sale, sir?
Lord, it was in 2014. In 2014
When
itself,
did he deposit 19.75 crores?
he deposits, my lord, and in 2014 he withdraws the money also in 2014.
Him.
Yes.
So his
So now
money
you're
is not with you.
No.
I
For the last 10 years,
months
it's not been with me. 2014, 15, whatever. Money has not been with me. I initiate auction after auction.
Wait.
Either he or the original promoter keeps stalling it. Now I've finally successfully completed the auction. 38 crores 69 lakhs has been bid by somebody. 25% is deposited. The Supreme Court judgment is, I'm sorry, I'll just pass it on to your lordship. Categorical, which says that no vested right in auction purchaser till my lord sale certificate is issued. Nothing is issued in his favor. In fact, he's taken the money back. I can understand if his money was lying with me. Nothing. That's
my lords, for the period of 9 months, they had our money, the deposits that we had made, my lords. For that also interest they have not paid, my lords.
Let him file a suit if it is maintainable for recovery of the money. I don't know, my lord. How can he now make that claim? He makes an application and withdraws the money. At that time, he keeps quiet. He never says anything about interest.
No. Auction, they immediately, why you did not issue sale certificate?
Because, my lord, there were proceedings pending. He also did not want sale certificate. He wants the money back. He makes.
Right. Where?
My lord, what happened was the original promoter questions the entire auction. Writ petitions were filed.
Writ petition was pending.
Yes.
By then, he had deposited the entire 19.75 crores.
He had deposited the entire amount. Yes, he has deposited the entire amount.
How long did you keep the amount?
Possibly around 8-9 months as my lord.
Then how can you not pay interest?
But I will look into that. I will look into that. I have no instructions.
Will you leave a pie of interest?
As far as I am instructed and I can see from the records, he's never made that claim before. Today is making it for the first time. I'll look into
No, whatever it is. If money, money is lying in the bank, would bank give up 1 rupee of interest?
It was, my lord, lying in 2014. I'll look into it. I'll just look into that.
Unjust enrichment
if there's no unjust enrichment.
What else, sir?
My lord, outside. My lord, let me make a submission. Insofar as the interest of 9 months on the money that he deposited in 2014 and withdrew in 2014.
2014. When did you date?
Your lordship, on 29th
date of deposit.
29 date of deposit is 29 2014, my lords.
Yes, 29 September.
Or
Lord, I'll just
refund yavaga.
On in 8/7/2015, I returned the money. Interim order of this court permitting him to withdraw was 17/6. So within a month, I've returned the money. I've not held on to the money.
Interim order of this court was
17/6/2015. I repay the money to him on 8/7/2015. 17/6/15, and I repaid the entire money on 8/7/2015. Less than a month.
So anyway, for 7-8 months you had kept it.
Yes.
How can it not earn interest?
Lord, I will look into that aspect. That did not stall the auction.
No, I am not stalling the auction.
Great.
Yes. The petitioner is said to be an auction purchaser. I'm not disposing it either.
I bought it.
Heard so and so. The petitioner is said to be the auction purchaser pursuant to an auction conducted by the respondent bank on in the year 2014. In furtherance of the said auction and his emergence as a successful bidder, the petitioner deposits 19.75 crores on 29/9/2014. Litigations.
Just one thing, it's 19 crores 60 lakh 30,000. That 19
19
crores
lakhs.
75 lakhs is what the erstwhile owners had.
19 crores and order tak. Yes.
My lords, we have computed a interest, my lords, calculation with the memo I'm filing, my lords.
Wait. Yes. So and so. The learned counsel for the petition, on 29/9/2014, litigations galore between the borrower and the bank, and this court on 17/6/2015 permitted the auction purchaser to withdraw the amount. Therefore, the said amount was lying with the bank on for a period of 9 months. While refund of the amount in the year 2015, the amount has not carried any interest on the score that the petitioner had not demanded any interest. The interest demanded or otherwise, the auction purchaser has deposited 25%. That 25%, if is to be returned on whatever circumstance, and the bank had kept the money for 9 months, it cannot be without interest. Therefore, without interest, the learned senior counsel could submit that the advocate and record would seek instructions and make his submissions. Place the matter on.
Would your lordships also record my submission that auction has taken place and there is a bid for?
The learned senior counsel appearing for that the auction has now taken place and the successful bidder has deposited 25% of the bid amount, and the bid amount and the sale amount.
38 crores 69
And sale
lakhs.
amount is 38 crores and odd. Be those submissions as they are, the issue now is with regard to the interest that is to be paid for 9 months of holding the amount of the auction purchaser.
Your Lordship, sorry,
Memo of
just one
calculations
thing.
is still 2025, but anyway, I'll look into it.
Your Lordship, sorry, just one thing.
Only
I
for
had-
9 months.
I had not deposited 25%. I deposited the whole amount.
No, correct. I'm saying on his.
I have never said you
No,
deposit
no,
25%.
I'm saying now 25% by the new bid. Great.
If you have taken money, then strictly speaking, you should have taken an order then by the court.
My lords,
But the order says with interest. I'll just
the
look
only
into
understanding was that.
Order of the coordinate bench.
I will just look it. That's why I'm not. I'll look into
Where is the order of the
I-
coordinate bench?
I don't know whether the money is paid with interest or not. I'll
Your
look into it.
Lordship, we'll just see. No, the money is not been prepaid with
Page-
interest.
page-
Interest is there, my lord. I'll look into it.
On page number 11 is the interim order allowing me to withdraw. Page number 11, bottom.
I'll look into it, my lord. I'll just.
Interest you have to
I'll
pay,
look into it.
not till 25, but the day till the withdrawal.
Great.